Hey guys, so we're all ready. 2 weeks before first ever race, so literally 2 weeks from today we'll be having round one of the Hot Hatch Challenge at Castle Combe in the CarGuyDiaries race car. She's looking good. So testing went well, got all our base settings on a dry setup, so we're pretty happy with that. Obviously didn't have any wet data because it wasn't raining, as you've seen from the previous video, but yeah, I think we're pretty confident. The car's in a good place. I'm feeling like I'm in a good place for my first sort of race. So yeah, we'll have to see how it goes, but for once we're all ready. It would be nice to have a test day before, so make sure third gear is actually properly fixed, but we don't have the time. So I've driven it on the ramp, seems absolutely fine. I'm 100% sure we fixed it, so yeah, all good in the hood. Speaking of the hood, oh, I'm just propping the bonnet up with my head at the moment. So yeah, got the gearbox back in, all sorted as it should be. Oh, here comes Hooligan. This is the partner in crime. But he seems to have a problem with his right foot, because every time he parks his car he has to rev the nuts off of it. Give it a rev. Oh, okay. You should show me up. Here he is, the editing genius himself. Nothing. Just doing a little little vlog on the car, and you turn up all nice and spangly clean.
They've done a very good job, haven't they? Oh no, wait, there's a stone chips.
Ah.
I went for the cheek wash.
Yeah, just a. Oh yeah, look at that! Look at anything done under the bonnet, Doug.
Awful, awful, awful. Get your spit shine. Nah, that's ruined. That's ruined. That'll never be clean ever again.
Mm. So yeah, this is Doug's machine. Has she got a name, Doug? She's got a name. He. Gomez, isn't it?
Gomez, yeah.
Gomez. Oh, the number plate's fallen off.
Yeah. Oh no, wait. There
it is. So this is Gomez, the MX-5.
Show slash
pretty
track slash day lead slash.
No, it's a good thing. Show them the retracting hard top and the fancy new roll bar. Ooh. Look at that. Nice.
There she is.
Of course, sporting the CarGuyDiaries Instagram tag.
Shameless plug. These are now available.
Are they?
They are. There's a shop even to Sam's.
Sweet.
I might have actually ordered 40 of those.
Yeah. Okay. So are they free to subscribers, or are they,
I think that's what we'll do. Yeah.
Yeah.
Free to subscribers.
But you've got to come and get them. You've got to meet us. You've got to meet the car guys. Hello.
Either that or free to subscribe. Free to subscribers. Only have to pay postage.
Yeah.
And the postage is an amount once we know where you live.
Yeah.
Message us via the Facebook page.
Yeah, boy. See, I've got mine on my wing mirrors. just because.
The ones that will be shipped out will have a capital C, a capital G, and a capital D.
Oh, so we've got the OG ones, and for the followers we got some better ones.
Yeah, these ones are awful quality, but the ones that subscribers get
Will be better.
Are better.
Damn, son. Roll bar's looking good.
It looks a bit better now the car's free.
Yeah, boy. Who's this guy? I always forget his name.
The apprentice Kyle Burke will be very upset you forget what his name is.
Isn't it?
This is Rick.
Rick.
And that is my...
Rick who?
Rick off of Rick and Morty.
Is it? Who's that?
Rick Sanchez.
Which is... Well, you're talking like I know who that is, so...
Kyle the apprentice is going to be massively upset.
Yeah, what is it? A kids program or something?
It's not a kid... someone please tell Sam what Rick and Morty is.
No, I don't know.
Like it.
Should I know what Rick and Morty is? Nice. Maybe I need to find out. Yeah. Here's both of our cars in all their glory.
Tell us in the comments which one you'd rather own.
Well, everyone knows that they'd rather have the EK9 race car, obviously. I mean, there's no competition, Doug.
I'm not even going to try and...
There's no
I'm
competition.
going to try and smile them all up.
They even have it with my name on it. What do you think? What would you rather own, Doug? You'd rather own the EK9, wouldn't you? Look at it.
I don't know. Would I?
No, well, clearly not, because you've got this.
Hasn't even got a reverse light.
No, it hasn't. Because race car, man.
Was I supposed to do that?
Do what?
Shut the bonnet.
Do whatever you want. It's your car. Oh.
I want some of those funny flappy things.
Funny flappy things.
Yeah.
Let me cut your bonnet then, and then we'll get on that. Oh yeah.
That's how you have to get into an MX-5 if you're over 5 foot tall.
Yeah.
With great difficulty.
And Andy has even lowered the seats so they don't even move back and forth.
They're not the most comfortable. This isn't the most comfortable. Sam's car's probably more comfortable than this.
You need a set of fixed back bucket seats, Doug. That's got to be next. Don't.
Some, if not all of those noises, might have been made by Sam.
No, it wasn't. That was definitely your car. Most definitely. See? I told you.
Hooligan.
What did I say when he came in? I said, look, it's Doug, he's got a problem with his right foot. And he actually let me down, but
That was actually my left foot I was using.
Okay, alright. But you've definitely made up for that. Yeah, boy.
It doesn't even have a proper rear bumper.
No, it's got holes in it and everything. Yeah, I was just talking about the car and setup, what we've done, and fixing the gearbox.
Yep.
Yeah, so... already?
Sam, as usual, has got his gearbox out, fixed and back in before I've even released the video.
Yeah.
Saying what we found. It's all
but
done.
that's the way I like to just get things done, and
But I imagine by the time you guys watch this, you'll have seen that video.
yeah,
that will have been released.
Definitely.
So all of this is rendered redundant.
No, it's not. But yeah, so I'm on holiday next week. So the car prep's all been done this week. Just got a few basic things to check, nut and bolt check, lights, levels, all of the above really. Nothing massive needs doing anymore.
Got to make sure he's got his vape charged, ready for the track day.
Vape
Obviously owning a Honda.
Jeez. No, that's Audi. Subaru owners. We shouldn't really be slagging.
We don't mean it.
No.
We don't mean it. Every car scene has its own.
No, I just to be clear, I don't vape. I think it's ridiculous.
And I used to until I realised it was a stupid thing to do.
Yeah. So
Stay in school, kids, and don't vape or smoke.
Yeah. Do drugs and all that. This is the best drug. These are the best drugs that you can get.
That's right. Rusty Japanese cars are
Yep.
the best drugs you can get.
Yeah. They are definitely.
And the come down's always just as bad.
Oh yes. Right. I think we'll end it here.
The whole thing, or just this?
No, just this little video. Yeah, I thought it'd be nice to, you know, just see our faces. We haven't had much sort of FaceTime.
I haven't had much of my face.
No.
See his face with a helmet on.
Yeah. So, hello, this is Sam and this is Doug.
I'm Doug.
I know,
Sam.
my name's Doug.
It's Doug.
Yeah. So,
I'm the one that doesn't do any of the fun stuff. I sit behind a computer. I say computer. I sit behind my iPhone.
yeah, this is all done on iMovie and stuff. So, bear with us. We might get some better stuff one day, and maybe a computer. But
Tell your friends to subscribe, and then get their friends to subscribe, and then
Yeah.
their friends to subscribe.
Yeah.
And that means that YouTube might go,
these guys
these guys need some better editing
need some
software.
better editing software.